We're in 116 La Mirada, Laguna Beach. This is the entrance of the house. It's got a stairway, and to the left, it's a bedroom slash living space, wood floors, beautiful backyard. You have grass area, you got a barbecue area, and you have this beautiful tree that's been around for history. It's a very nice backyard to entertain, multi-level. We climb up here. Very nice. This is the back of the house with an amazing view, which when we get inside you'll appreciate that view. So let me get down the stairs without falling down because I have my heels on. Back into the house, the downstairs bedroom slash living area. Going into the hallway, into the next room. Here's a bedroom downstairs with an amazing view and a balcony. Oh my gosh, the breeze over here is amazing and the view is spectacular, spectacular, spectacular. My goodness. So we'll just work ourselves up. Upstairs, oh here's laundry room. There's a bathroom. The shower. Up the stairs we go. Thank you. Hi, Trudy. Here's a master bedroom. It's very spacious walk-in closet. Here's the master bathroom. Beautiful. Say hello to Trudy. Hi, Trudy. This house is amazing. It's amazing, and the view is spectacular. Understatement. Spectacular. I would be very happy if I lived here, enjoying the beautiful, beautiful ocean, coast. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Amazing. Let's see. All right, well, this is going for $1,495,000. Yeah. And this is Claudia and Trudy. Hi. And if you want us to make your dreams come true in real estate, our number is 909-702-1772.
951-751-3422.
It's amazing over here. We can make that happen for you.